So now I'm going to introduce you to two techniques of poaching and blanching. So this is now we're going to poach an egg, and then we're going to cool it down straight away in icy water, and that is what blanching is. So you put something into that's hot or boiling, and then straight into icy water, and that is what blanching means. We have here an egg that I've cracked into a cup or a little Daryl mold, and I always find this easier to blanch my eggs this way because it's very difficult to crack an egg into boiling water, obviously with the steam. At the moment here is the pan that it's just starting to simmer. So we've added a bit of vinegar to this pan for the purpose of the egg to cook properly. The water's just starting to simmer, so I'm going to turn it down slightly. Poaching requires you to have your water between 71, 72 degrees up to 84 degrees. So this is just going to cool down very slightly now, and as it does, we're going to add the egg. There we go. Now the egg's starting to nicely poach in this warm water, hot water, and it's going to take a couple of minutes while this goes. I'm using a deep pan for this egg because I want to get the shape of the egg, but poaching can be done in any depth of liquid. Poaching means basically cooking in a liquid, so it could be milk, it could be water, it can be stocks, vegetable, chicken, beef, fish. So as long as that liquid is between the temperature of 71 and 82 degrees and the product that you're using is submerged in there, then it's classified as poaching. And in a moment that will be finished, and then we're just going to take it into this icy water. So always have one thing you must remember when you are blanching and you want to blanch something is always make sure you have your icy water ready. It's always something that catches young chefs out, is that they put the product into the hot water and then all of a sudden they remember, oh, I've got no ice, and I've got to run around the kitchen looking for ice. So always have everything ready. The preparation is one of the most important things when you're cooking. Make sure that you have every single piece of equipment and every single piece of apparatus that you need to make sure you finish the dish from the start to the finish. It's a smooth process. You don't want to be running around looking for things when something's cooking, because you'll just end up overcooking it. We're just going to take that out now. It's nice and soft, and that's going to go into the icy water. So the process from the hot liquid to the icy liquid is called blanching. So on this technique you've learned how to poach. You've also seen a bit of a simmer at the beginning, but you've learned how to poach an egg, and then you now know how to blanch.